Getting pushed. Got it.
110 on that guy.
TPing.
Lobo's pushing up.
Lobo dead. Okay. Thanks for playing.
The crack,
The
guys.
Wraith, I think the Wraith TP'd away, right?
No,
I
she
forgot.
jumped off. Well, it's
Right here.
just down here.
Cracked.
Nice.
Did she try to melee you?
Yeah.
Unlucky.
Sheesh, oh, you
That's
alright.
fine. I love a cookie. Alright, come on, let's hurry up quick.
I'm literally right behind you, bro.
No, you're not.
Yeah. Now I'm in front. Ah, fuck.
You're there above us.
Bank cracked. Popping a bat.
Fuck. He's cracked. So is the other one.
Cracked. Oh my god.
All
Wait.
three of them are just running. Watch out.
Be over here. Chilling.
Crack one.
Drop behind you.
Shit.
Nade. Resin.
Somebody just looted them. Mikey, res me.
Someone's pushing. Someone's... Oh wait, no, they're not?
No one's pushing. Oh, drop. Now they are.
It's fine, it's fine. Just finish the res. Stick the res. Stick the res.
Shields are depleted.
Throwing arc. Heads up. We're not alone. Charging on my shields.
I don't know why left lane dropped. She was cracked.
And not get in.
Ha! She
They
ported.
just, yeah.
I'm at Wraith, bro. Just watch.
Repairing damages.
There's a pad here if you want to take it.
Not here.
It's the Wraith was chasing me around the pole, like.
She
wanted to
fell-
pull
she
behind
dropped?
me.
Trying to
She's
punch her?
cracked. Yeah, I cracked her and out of ammo in my mag, bro. I'm gonna finish her.
I think she has a self res.
Yeah, he does.
Free shield and a self res. Oh, it's just my day, huh? Why was that sound? Oh, Jesus.
His name.
Yeah.
I think he experienced
It's not what was that sound, but why was that sound?
Why was the sound? We
Yep.
never know.
Like right after he said that, the dude just looked him in the face and just smacked the shit out of
I don't
him.
think they're selling cookies.
Just completely rocked this shit.
I saw
Very
someone,
cool.
and I
You
don't
you heard the dude cry. Start
On your
crying.
wall.
Taking fire.
Got him?
Hit
He was
one.
not expecting that.
Wait, do you actually knock the guy that I shot with the sniper too?
Get me cracked.
Oh, be careful.
It's fine. Pass cracked.
L.
Oh,
Was that your scan?
Full.
yeah.
Okay.
Shields are depleted. Recharging.
Yo. Yo,
Mikey really just ulted.
I did.
A little bit.
Fine.
A little late.
Just watch. I mean,
No, no,
you
really.
at first it got melted really quick. And
Pop
then,
it, don't
yeah,
drop
it's
it, as they
He
say.
nailed it. Yeah, I guess so, huh? The other dude also got melted.
Yeah.
People.
The enemy is here.
Charge up my baby.
Come up to the building.
Crack one.
One's
Wraith cracked. Wraith cracked. Sit
Yeah,
onto the
he
wall.
literally healing right behind this. Down one.
Huge. Valk cracked. Valk 50.
Alright. How did I miss the Valk? I missed 2 shots on the Valk.
Valk is lit 50.
Yeah, it's over.
Woo!
Good shit.
Flavor Town, USA.
Not Flavor Town.
Oh shit!
Bye.
Care package incoming.
The bigger backpack. Oh, hey, a bigger backpack.
I'll take this busy.
We go to those shots.
Don't take extra bats. That's anybody.
Can we go to those shots?
Give me a second, sir.
Can we go to those shots? Hey, can we go to those shots?
Are we there yet?
Where's your jump pad? Alright, let's go.
Are we there yet?
Tearing through reality.
Oh, we need to heal.
There's some people to the left. Why do you do that?
See someone out there.
Oh, bye.
Down one. Hey, we got bad guys over there. Reloading.
Yeah, try to break that guy's shield if you can.
Reloading. That one's out for the count. I'll go for a frag out.
Oh, I cracked you. Oh my god.
Dead.
A
This one.
massacre.
Target spotted. Far. Opening fire.
I've got pad if you need.
Yes, grab it.
Oh, I cracked you.
Where's the pad? Give it.
One dead. Cracked Ash.
That was a paper shot.
Oh, another one down.
Fucking idiot.
Very cool.
Recharging shields.
Jesus.
Putting the Phoenix into use.
Oh my god. That entire thing was a clip.
Getting heavy.
Love how everyone.
Oh,
Oh,
heard that?
Yeah.
Jurassic Park. Literally, that's where they came from.
oh my god.
Oh, they're above me.
Why is there one on me like this?
Alright, one dead. Go.
Doing a phase tear.
Taking a moment to heal.
I'm almost dead. I don't know how I'm not dead. I'm just gonna put
Nice.
here
Down
to
to an
pray.
Dan,
Got some bad guys here.
One less enemy.
I'm going for the clip. I missed the clip. Cracked her.
Okay, that's cool.
You're welcome, Mikey. The horizon. Oh my god.
I just saw her just get dicked.
Woo! That was fun. Good one to end it on.
You are the Apex champions.
I was just a passenger. I was just here for the memes.
Just along for the ride. I respect it.
I'm just here for the memes. Reaching the dreams. You know?
Yeah. I know. Well, you got a lot of kills, Mikey. Yeah, I'll tell you that. Unlucky.
So one of these things is not like the other.
Yeah. Sedge. They're fighting. They're done. I think.
There's another squad.
Enemy over there. Don't let them see you. I
What in the
see
3, 2, 1
someone
this
over
guy?
there.
Or 3, 2, 1 Bloodhound? 3,
Yep.
2, 1.
2.
Fight.
Don't drive set.
OnStar delivered.
Watson second floor. Watson dead.
Spending an arc star.
He's on caustic. Left leg crack.
Reloading.
There we go.
This fight isn't over. Get up. That was all that remained of the Pinnacle squad.
That was clean.
Leaders
That was kind of clean. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, the whole execution.
Yeah. Towards them if they haven't rezzed already. Oh, someone's close.
Fire. Enemy there.
Understood.
Frag out.
Heading another.
Caustic dead.
Enemy down.
Pathfinder almost cracked.
Enemy down.
Squad behind us. Yep. This is a third party coming in.
We routed that squad. Hardly a challenge.
Target there.
What was that sound? Is that jump pad?
Yep.
A phase tear. Use
Yeah,
it.
good idea. Oh, Valve squad landing.
Ooh, care package.
Right here. Behind you, Jordan.
Another squad is on us.
Taking fire. My vision is
don't know how you're alive.
Here, go ahead. I'll take this one.
We gotta go this way then.
This way. Let's go.
Placing gas trap.
Unless we're getting pushed. Are we getting pushed? No.
I don't hear shit.
Let's go this way.
Quick, here. Jump drive in position.
Don't shoot at them.
You good? Just let the two squads fight each other or something.
think
Unless
it's
they're
like-
all focused on us.
They are.
They're shooting at me.
This is so dumb.
Recharging my shields.
Recharging shields.
Welcome to the shop. I've got just the thing.
Ah, crap. There's bats in here if you need.
Battery here. Long way to the next ring. Lots of ground means lots of treasure.
Down to subject.
Oh, hey.
Really?
No, that's the ring.
Oh, they're fighting.
Time to go shopping.
Yep. Wanna go?
Yeah.
Zip.
Oh, that's nice one, actually.
Enemy there.
Crack one?
Reloading.
Fight the guy up top or something. Yeah.
He's cracked?
Nice. Big.
Well, he's probably batting.
Yeah. This Valkyrie. This Valkyrie's off the scene.
Another squad down.
Recharging
Enemy
shields. Reloading.
Nice. Huge.
Finding them.
Throwing arc star.
I'm going in. These guys have no idea what's about to hit them.
enemy down.
Big. What is it with Valkyries and just like flying slowly in the air when they want to run away?
Recharging.
Right?
I don't know, man.
Healing my wounds.
The ring is near.
I have too many
45
bats.
seconds
Medkit here.
remain.
Shields are recharging.
We'll hit the flankaroonie or something.
No way you just said flankaroonie.
Absolutely. Costa, come over here.
1 minute. We have time to strategize.
Are they ignorant? Do they know we're here? I think they're ignorant.
Let's
Enemy
just
there.
phase.
This,
on
this guy's right in
that.
the. Oh yeah, you can phase. No, don't, please don't.
We have 45 seconds.
You can totally
and the next
phase in,
ring's right there. Don't leave anything good
Does he
behind.
see me?
Maybe.
You wanna like sneak closer?
Yeah.
Did it.
Slow walking.
Du-du-du-du-du.
30 seconds before the ring closes. Use it well.
Let's just hide behind this wall. It's in ring.
Is.
You've been made.
Okay.
Let's do some shopping.
Why did you? Go.
Just cause. Alright, our guy's going in.
Any bats, any bats, any bats, any bats.
Oh my god. I got you. On me. No fear! Ash is here!
Please kill him!
Oh god.
No.
Oh, I threw.
Hold on, I need to heal.
Any ice?
I do not. They're in the building. Pretty sure.
It's your lucky day. I've got you.
Grenade.
Come on,
That'd be good.
it's your lucky day.
No!
Why are you pushing? Christ.
Don't worry, I had it all under control.
Right. had
The
to
caustic was the meat shield, okay? He was a distraction. I had everything under control. Don't even worry about it. I almost like hard through with punching Ash. Sedge.